Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be sharing with you fun events that you can watch out about Weex. But before we do that, let me tell you a quick reminder. This video is for informational purposes only. This is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Please do make sure your own research before making any decisions. Let's go! Weex is making trading more exciting than ever with a series of events designed to reward both new and exciting users. With thousands of USDT up for grabs, everyone has a chance to join in, trade, and earn while enjoying the journey. In Event 1, new users are welcomed with a special treat. By simply depositing over 100 USDT and making their first trade in the CAP USDT pair, they can instantly earn rewards ranging from 15 to 100 USDT. On top of that, reaching just 200 USDT in futures trading volume unlocks another 10 USDT airdrop. With up to 110 USDT available per user from a 2,000 USDT prize pool, it's the perfect way to start trading confidently. Event 2 keeps the momentum going with a huge 5,000 USDT prize pool just for CAP traders. Anyone who reaches 100 USDT in CAP trading volume qualifies, and the more they trade, the higher their rewards. Top traders can win as much as 600 USDT, while casual traders get to share in 1,500 USDT proportionally. To make things even more fun, 50 lucky participants will win extra 10 USDT each, and anyone trading more than 2,000 USDT in CAP gets a 10 USDT airdrop. Event 3 is all about growing together. Users can invite friends to join Weex and earn referral rewards up to 20 USDT per invite. The more friends they bring, the bigger the rewards, making it a win-win for everyone. Finally, Event 4 is perfect for high-volume traders. With a 2,000 USDT prize pool, those who hit big future trading volumes can grab a 25 USDT reward, while the top 10 unlock an 200 USDT each. Overall, Weex is showing how trading can be fun, rewarding, and community-driven. Please do make sure to read the event rules for more informations. If you like this video, please go ahead and click that like, share, and subscribe button and follow us for more. Thanks for watching!